Hi, I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. Here's your CNY Central First Alert forecast. And as we go through time today, the bright sunshine we had early this morning will be fading behind increasing and thickening clouds. Dimming sunshine as clouds will be winning later this afternoon, but will stay dry through the day. Look for a high temperature in the lower 40s. Overnight tonight into tomorrow, it gets sloppy and gloppy and messy in a mixed form. We're likely to see all precipitation types within our viewing area. Rain, freezing rain, sleet, snow. The most important thing to remember is elevation and location will be key and very important, because the higher the elevation you are, the best the chance for you to have more snow and ice. And in regards to location, while south central New York will certainly have an apex of a little more snow and sleet, eastern New York and northeastern areas also, by comparison, will have a higher probability. So as we look forward today, let's discuss. So really the quietest part of the day here is what's happening this morning. It's cold, but seasonably so. We have teens and lower 20s. Lots of sunshine, a light easterly breeze this morning at 5 to 10. Gets to 10 to 15 this afternoon. Before we talk about all the precipitation types, it's actually going to also be windy tonight and tomorrow. And while most places have a 15 to 30 mile per hour wind tonight and tomorrow, higher elevations will probably have up to 40 mile per hour winds. And since there'll be heavy, wet, gloppy snow and mix, there's an outside possibility, I should mention this, an outside possibility that those of you that have the most snow and ice could have a few local power outages. We'll see what happens. So there's the high today and the easy weather today. Here's the weather tonight. Notice the pink and the green and the blue. Got that Chex Mix for you. The pink is all of the precipitation types. The blue is all snow and the green is of course, rain. In terms of amounts, let's see here. Where is it? Oh, it's up here. Just through tonight and tomorrow morning only, here's what I think is going to happen. If you're in the purple or green, or even the white, still all precipitation types are likely. But what I was trying to show by this is what will the conditions on the ground be like. I think from the 81 corridor from about, let's see, this is roughly Pulaski south to Syracuse, and then the Route 5 corridor from Syracuse and Fairmount to Auburn and Geneva and points north and west. This whole area right here, while we'll have a mix and rain, should probably be wet for lower elevations because of borderline temperatures. Now, from the north end of Syracuse, the east end of Syracuse, and the southeastern ends of Syracuse, DeWitt, Fayetteville, and east, and point south, everywhere in the purple, it's still probably a mix or something slick and icy. Not very much snow, but maybe a smidge. If you're in this white area in here, now you're talking more snow with a little bit of sleet and freezing rain. So this area has a better chance at a snowier kind of accumulation. And for the north and east, the same idea. Then on Wednesday, now remember, during tonight and tomorrow, with such borderline temperatures, we're going to watch the daytime temperatures come up a little bit, so lower elevations are likely to melt off. And you'll see that. Look at this map and glean off of it that lower elevations will probably either have just melting or maybe a sloppy inch. Hill towns, though, a sloppy inch or two. Highest elevations of southwest, south central, northeast, and eastern parts of the state,